not MeiMei all by chopping so far. Sorry, children.
マジで
Final expensive.
But it's enough already. 3, 2, 1.
Zero!
Hello, Tomodachis.
Welcome back.
Induction
Oh,
stove high.
Oh, started. Oh, finally.
Taiwanese and Japanese
production became
Uncle
so
Roger.
much better.
3 million subscribers. Thank you to all
So
my
3
niece
million
and
subscribers
and
now.
as promised, I'm gonna make my egg fried rice today.
Oh,
This video is sponsored by
finally.
Sasa.
Sponsored by
Sasa,
Sasa.
yeah, I think so, yeah.
Indonesian seasoning brand for this weejio.
Sasa, right?
Roger back
Yes.
at MeiMei.
Sasa.
Where I got my first job. What is vegan?
So this one we
No animal
published today.
product.
Yes.
So you go your life just eat leaf. This is MeiMei's boss.
Oh,
Liz.
MeiMei
Get
boss.
my job back.
Liz.
I will impress you with my egg fried rice. But first, tell our viewer what is MeiMei.
I think she's a
MeiMei is
bit
a
kind, I
Singaporean
think.
Yes.
coffee so we do Singaporean coffee tea, specialise in Hainanese chicken rice.
Yes.
Nasi
Hainan
lemak,
chicken
I'm
rice.
sure you're a fan of.
You steal all the
Nasi lemak
Malaysian
look a
food.
bit different.
Liz, I hear you have Michelin Star. Is that correct?
In my
Michelin
last restaurant, yeah, the
Our last
Michelin
restaurant.
Yo, how many Michelin Star?
one.
Just
One.
one? Uncle
Just
Gordon
one.
had 22.
Gordon had
Oh,
22.
really?
Haven't even started cooking, already got roasted.
So I'm going to be reviewing your egg fried rice. I've seen as you review so many others, so I'm going to be quite harsh on you.
Oh, Kibishika?
Pressure. Uncle Roger, not professional chef. I just home
Ah,
cook. Now I'm gonna be judged by Michelin Star Chef.
Ah.
Part 1,
Oh,
prep.
Prep. Ah, I see, I
Step
see.
1, throw away your chili jam. This is not MeiMei Oliver cooking show. Listen, I have one of the knives. No, no, no.
Oh,
this is
oh,
paring
oh, oh,
knife.
oh.
This is not used
The
for
K-knife
chopping.
cuts.
This is trying to trick me. This is more like
Ah, okay.
Chinese
All
knife
we
だね、
need
これ。
is one knife. First step is garlic. For one portion
Should
of
be
egg fried rice,
garnish.
at least
Garlic.
5 cloves. Asian
Five
people
cloves.
love garlic. We treat garlic like we treat our children. They never enough. You smash the garlic so you don't
Smash
end up
the
like
garlic.
K cooking. The garlic don't run.
Oh.
Uncle Roger was the best garlic chopper. But don't worry, everything
That was
will
the worst
blur
one.
in slow motion.
Oh. Oh.
Not slow motion.
So
like,
Liz, by chopping so far,
It could be
Just
a bit
slow.
finer.
Yeah, just slow.
just complain. Garlic is the best thing ever. Many people
Yes.
complain garlic gives
Garlic
them bad
is
breath.
very
But don't
important.
worry, Uncle Roger's single, not kissing anyone anyway. That is one good part about being lonely. Nobody know you have bad breath. Now we chop shallot. Shallot is
Oh,
better
shallot.
than onion.
Nicer flavour.
Don't use onion for your egg fried rice. Only poor people
Yes,
use
nice
onion.
flavor. Oh. But this is also not slow motion though.
And then
Just
you
slow.
slice it in the middle.
Ah,
For your hands.
middle.
Don't worry, hospital very close.
Said
Ah,
last time.
maybe kids will be going to the hospital. あ、ちょっと落としてるほら。
Now time for egg. Uncle Roger like to use 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk. This
Ah,
is
rich, rich.
Malaysian
Okay,
chef
okay.
Sherson Lian. Check out his YouTube channel.
Oh.
Sherson
Many people
Lian.
say
Okay.
egg yolk give you cholesterol, but
Oh.
Uncle Roger say cholesterol is full of flavor.
Ah, okay.
No,
So
not with
fried rice
this
is not healthy one.
high,
Chopstick.
No Asian person
Ah.
use
Oh,
whisk. We whisk
long.
egg with chopstick. What
Chop
kind of
長いよ
Asian
ね。
restaurant
Long
run?
one.
Why you have whisk?
For cooking, maybe.
Ah.
Like
You have
tempura.
whisk? Do you also
Yeah,
have
yeah.
colander?
No.
No
Next, we
colander.
chop spring onion.
Ah, spring
this is
onion.
another
Spring
classic
onion.
Asian ingredient. Chop away the shit you don't need.
Don't throw away. We use for stock.
Just the shit you don't need.
Yeah.
Chef love using trash to cook their food.
おお
これnot slow motion.
Use a big knife. It can almost become plate. See?
うん。
Okay,
Last
okay.
thing you need to chop is chili.
Ah,
Uncle
chili.
Roger loves spice because Uncle Roger not pussy. And of course, egg fried
But
rice.
not the
you
chili
have to
chum.
use leftover rice. But this is
Oh,
Uncle Roger's
leftover
biggest secret.
rice.
It's not just any leftover rice. This is leftover chicken rice. This is
really?
rice cooked with chicken stock, ginger, and garlic.
So if we try, we have to make Hainan chicken rice rice.
I see, I see. Hainan chicken fried rice.
Yes.
So nice.
Ah.
It's this rice
So
will
that's
be
why
better than woman.
you're gonna make
Well,
at
just
the
stop touching
MeiMei.
the rice.
Auntie
Probably.
Hainan left Uncle Roger too long now. This is the only time I get to touch something moist. Sorry, children.
Oh really?
How many rice
Ah,
do you have?
okay.
4.
4. Uncle Gordon walk fuckboy. Liz is rice
Cool.
cooker fuck girl.
That's good.
Soy sauce, Asian sesame oil must
Oh.
be Asian.
Sick
And of course,
sesame
we
oil.
must not forget the most important ingredient. The
MSG.
king of flavor, Uncle Roger's white powder of choice,
MSG, not this one. This one,
Do you use
Sasa.
MSG in your cooking now?
We do now, Uncle
Yay.
Roger.
So this one is
I
hot
think you're
and
gonna get
spicy,
second
Sasa.
Michelin star
For
soon.
fried chicken.
Uncle
Ah,
Roger using
fried
my
chicken, yeah.
favorite brand of MSG, Sasa. This is from Indonesia.
Indonesia,
Uncle Roger
yeah,
samples
Indonesia,
so many
yes.
different type of MSG, and this tastes the best. This packaging will
Indonesia.
be the last of this year. Next year, they're gonna improve their packaging, make it
Whoa.
even more pretty. I see so many niece and nephew make egg fried rice with carrot or peas.
No, we did not, we
Aiyah.
did not.
Don't use vegetable.
No
Vegetable tastes
carrot.
like that.
Oh, cook.
Okay,
Egg
now we
first.
start cooking.
Okay.
But we got
Maybe.
one problem. Induction stove fire. Liz, where your fire? Where your gas stove?
Well, we
Maybe
don't
no
have a gas
fire.
connection here, Uncle Roger, but this is not the average induction
Ah,
fire. This
because
is
they're
the top of the
expensive,
range
right?
induction
Yes.
Last time we
chefs.
saw
Very
You get
expensive.
a really good wok hay.
Uncle
Oh, you
Roger
can get wok hay, really?
So I will
Oh.
try to use this. Uncle Roger gonna cook
Oh.
with this. It is
Oh.
metal spoon, but don't
Metal
worry.
spoon.
Professional wok, not
Not-
non-stick
yeah.
wok. So
Ah,
if you use
yeah, yeah.
metal
No-
spoon
no.
in this, your mom won't come
Coating.
and beat.
Yes. No
First
sauce
coat
there.
the wok with
This
oil,
is-
and this is peanut oil because
peanut
Uncle Roger
oil.
loves to kill all the weak peanut allergy.
Oh,
The
okay.
oil starts smoking. Throw away the oil. Correct so far?
Yeah, apart from
Oh.
the peanut oil thing, but
Don't use peanut oil.
no, we don't use peanut oil
It's
here.
good.
Oh,
They're not weak to us.
this
You'd
is your
like to
fault.
ask her.
If you
It's
can't use
smoking
peanut oil,
already.
vegetable
Yes,
oil,
already.
Okay, also. Just don't
Already
use olive oil.
smoking.
This is not Jamie Oliver cooking show. Spread the oil nicely around the wok. Okay,
Oh, I
first
see, I
thing in
see.
garlic and shallot.
Okay, okay.
Oh, shallots.
Fry it a bit until it's fragrant. Next step, egg.
Oh, egg.
Stir it around when it's almost all solid like this. Time for the rice.
Ah,
Uncle
okay.
Roger,
Oh, use hand.
Oh,
Asian
use
people,
hand.
when we cook, we don't measure. We just use feeling.
Feeling.
Agak is the Malaysian way to say it.
Ah.
It's a bit dry, so I
Agak,
put a bit
agak.
more oil in it. Now we add soy sauce. Just
Soy
use feeling.
sauce.
Just
Soy sauce
feeling.
in until our ancestors tell us is enough.
Ah,
Sesame oil.
ancestor is important here.
You have to flatten the rice so they don't clump together.
Oh.
And now the most important ingredient.
MSG.
Oh, Tojo.
MSG.
Quite a lot.
マジで
Final
やば
spring onion and
Ah, I
Chili.
see, I see, I see.
stir everything around. This induction stove not bad. Uncle Roger changed my mind.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
okay.
Oh, oh. な
ここだけスローモーションだね、ちゃんと。
Not bad.
あ、ちょ
Uncle
っと、ちょ
Roger.
っと、ちょっと、でも、
Good height.
Smoke,
smoke.
Tossing, huh?
Oh, Uncle Roger loves tossing. It's my
Ah.
favorite thing to do. That's why Auntie Helen leave. And now I'm ready to be
that's why
served.
he do it repeatedly.
Ah, but not wet, not wet.
Oh,
Okay,
See,
okay.
it's so simple. 5 minutes. That's
Oh,
all you
5
need
minutes.
for Uncle Roger egg
yes.
fried
See,
rice.
see.
For a home cook, not too bad.
Okay,
You're a little messy.
but it's okay.
It's okay.
Professional
It's
kitchen, not
messy.
professional cleaner. I'm more tidy because I clean myself. But a professional kitchen, you can hire people clean.
But you're going to be cleaning this, Uncle Roger.
No, I'm applying job as chef, not as cleaner.
Taste
Please
test.
taste this.
Now time for
The
taste test.
taste this.
Hiya, Asian people, we don't eat rice with fork. Okay, this is better. Either spoon or chopstick only.
Oh, Michelin Star Chef.
Not bad, Uncle Roger.
Not bad.
Not
Lots of
bad.
MSG.
Not a lot.
Lots of MSG.
Just the right
Yeah,
amount.
a lot of
No such
MSG.
thing as too much MSG. Sometimes we complain food too salty or food too sweet, but nobody ever complain food too umami.
Ah,
Oh, Oh, this guy looks so familiar. I think he is peanut allergic.
Last time, yeah.
Oh, why you don't want peanut?
I'm allergic.
Why so weak? So weak.
So weird.
But have
Any
egg fried
food?
rice on the menu today.
Yeah, there is a food.
No. It's got peanut oil.
Hi.
Yeah.
I can see why you review other people's egg fried rice. It's not bad for a home cook.
Okay.
I'll show you how a Michelin star will
Oh.
cook this.
Oh,
Let's see. Let's see.
oh, really?
Let's see.
Oh,
Masterclass.
masterclass.
The technique you got just right. Heat up the oil to season the wok.
Mm-hmm.
You just want to get it nice and smoky. Get that wok hay.
Okay.
I takes so long. I finished cooking and eating already.
Instead of using oil, I'm going to use some pork fat. Because
Pork fat. Oh, good.
Yeah, I like the flavour of pork fat.
You didn't tell Uncle Roger you have pork fat. Uncle
Pork
Roger
fat.
loves pork. The smartest but also delicious animal.
Smart. Like Auntie Hersha said.
I think so, yeah.
You use pork fat. Nobody have pork fat at home.
They can, you can buy it. But if you're vegetarian, don't use. Just use vegetable oil. Eggs going in.
So are you saying vegetarian people don't deserve flavor?
Rice is going in. And MeiMei chicken rice.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Hainan chicken rice.
MSG? Why so little? MSG not expensive.
But it's enough already.
No, that's enough.
Hi,
Soy sauce is
yeah.
quite
Oh,
salty
soy
already.
sauce.
And white pepper.
White pepper.
Smooth, right?
Oh,
So smooth.
ingredient.
And then with mine, I got the spring onion,
Ah.
garlic chive, and chili.
I
Oh,
see.
Michelin
Ah.
Star Chef. Messy also.
Uncle Roger, MeiMei makes sambal belacan.
This is the ingredient
Gotcha.
Uncle Gordon.
Oh.
We also have sambal.
Oh.
We can try.
Fried rice. Let's see how it tastes.
It's a spoon
Oh,
this time.
oh, oh.
Yes, correct.
Collect.
That's very good.
He's gonna say, no say the fuyo.
Just a little bit.
So you're saying I'm just sambal and pork lard away from being Michelin star?
Ah,
There's a little bit more hard work involved in it, but yes.
Uncle Roger approved.
Good.
Bad.
Officially
Approve.
auntie list now.
Oh, what? So we're married?
No, Uncle Roger don't want to marry you. I just call you auntie list out of respect.
To the respect.
Or don't want to marry you. I
Peanut allergy guy.
Peanut allergy husband. Plot twist.
Eh?
Really?
Cooking egg fried rice, so exhausting. What you think of my fried rice? What you think?
Not bad, Uncle Roger. For home
not
cook,
bad.
It was pretty good. The cutting just needs to be a bit faster, and a little tidier.
Okay, what about cooking? Technique okay?
Technique good.
What
Yeah.
about my wok tossing?
You can tell you've had a lot of practice at the
Ooh.
wok tossing.
So nice coming from Michelin Star Chef, make Uncle Roger feel so special. If you in London, come to MeiMei. Food so
Stop
tasty.
that, Ribbit.
Hopefully you will have your egg fried rice on the menu
Too
soon.
many
They
people,
were
maybe.
Uncle Roger's big fried rice.
With my
Ah,
face on
yeah.
the box.
Maybe.
To all
Yeah,
my niece
if we
and
live in
nephew, thank you so
UK,
much for
we're
your
gonna go.
support. 3
Or
million
you'd like to go
subscribers.
back,
It's
we cannot
insane
go.
number. Hope you keep watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Fire Uncle Roger. Hi.
Yeah.
This is really hard. Taiwanese chicken rice. Nasi lemak, which I'm sure you're a fan of.
You steal all the Malaysian food.
Oh.
Sorry, keep that in. Oh, so Singapore restaurant just steal Malaysian food?
I don't know what to say to that.
We treat garlic like we treat our children. They're never enough.
True that. God, that's so brutal.
That is one good part about being lonely. Nobody know you have bad breath.
Sadness.
And then we can't cut to. Now we chop shallot. If you see Asian restaurant with whisk, run away because they also will have colander.
Ah.
Liz, you have whisk, but do you also have colander?
Only for the BBC
Colander.
here.
Oh. Are you Miss Liz or do you want to be Auntie Liz? Do you feel you are old or young?
I'm both, aren't I?
Auntie Helen left me too long now. This is the
Cold.
only time I can touch something wet. Sorry, children.
She's gone. She come back.
Long train.
Long train.
That's white noise to me after a while.
Close to the train station.
Why you one weak customer?
For us, it's ambulance, right?
Yes.
What you think? What you think?
What do you think?
Sorry. It's the way the voice goes up at the end. Gets me.
So that was Uncle Roger egg fried rice. Liz, what you think? What you think?
It's like your balls dropped.
What?
Yeah, it's true.
My balls retract. How many times are we gonna shit on Jamie Oliver?
Sorry, Jamie.
Sorry, Jamie.
Plot twist.
Like a K-drama.
Like,
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, just sound effect.
finally, he created long fried rice.
Suddenly, the video becomes so professional looking
Maybe he hired a lot of people.
to film this one.
Yes.
But we need to make this, don't we?
Probably. You should, yeah.
I guess this week, dinner will be Uncle Roger's fried rice.
Okay, this week with sasa.
Yes. And sambal. We have sambal as well.
Nice, nice.
So yeah, if you want to see us create this Uncle Roger fried rice dish, feel free to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. That's because he's a comedian.
Yes, not a chef.
Yeah, not a chef. Chef is